your thesis on supply chain and AI, what are the top three products if you would build if you did a startup?
There's a lot happening. Supply chain world was actually the first to digitize. So if you kind of think about where computers were first deployed and how they got used, so even you think of products like SAP and so on, they have transformed the world. They've really built large workforces that operate with technology. These are very respected products. More recently, I think a product that I admire is Samsara, which is fleet management. And I think the lesson for us is that it just shows you that you can create new categories. This is not a replacement market.
Yep.
So Samsara kind of uses cloud native, AI native, so visual AI. So whether it's object recognition, scene recognition, this is all available as technology progresses, and they harnessed it for a vertical application. And it created a category, so this is now the new AI growth curves are very different. But, as recently as 8-10 years ago, Samsara was able to build $1 billion business within 8 years, right?
Yeah.
This is revenues, $1 billion in revenues, and $20 billion company in a completely new category within supply chain. And we see that happening all over the place. I'm very excited about several of the companies in our portfolio. So, for example, Lyric is building data infrastructure platform for supply chain data scientists. They call it decision intelligence. So, and if you think about it, you're making all kinds of decisions across the supply chain every single day. These are operational platforms. And they harness the power of AI and real-time data to make those decisions really worthwhile. We are investors in a company called Freehand, which is in the agentic space. They work in procure to pay, again, an explosive product. So very excited about that. Actively looking in the physical AI space. There is so much that has been invested in sensor technology, in robotics. That has been very, very exciting. And then finally, for us, the products that we are very actively looking at and investing in is the whole AI data center world has become a big portion of the economy. So a lot of the growth in the economy comes from the data center world, and it has a supply chain associated with that. So we're investing in that area as well. So those are all very exciting areas.